There's something quietly transformative about stepping into a bathroom that instantly makes you breathe a little slower. It isn't always the marble, the lighting, or the carefully chosen decor. More often than not, it's the walls that set the entire mood, creating a feeling of calm before you even realize why. The right white paint doesn't simply brighten a room. It softens the morning light, wraps evening routines in warmth, and turns everyday moments into something unexpectedly luxurious. In today's countdown, we're exploring 10 beautiful Sherwin-Williams white paint colors that create timeless bathrooms filled with comfort, elegance, and quiet sophistication. And while every shade on this list has its own unique personality, our number one choice has a remarkable ability to make an ordinary bathroom feel like a peaceful retreat you'll never want to leave. Number 10. White Snow from Sherwin-Williams. We begin with White Snow, a crisp yet welcoming white that brings a refreshing sense of clarity to any bathroom. Imagine opening the door early in the morning as soft daylight gently fills the room, reflecting across polished stone countertops, fluffy cotton towels, and brushed nickel fixtures. White Snow creates an atmosphere that feels clean without feeling cold, offering the perfect backdrop for homeowners who appreciate understated elegance. Paired with light oak cabinetry and woven baskets, it creates a home that feels thoughtfully cared for rather than overly designed. It's an inviting beginning to our countdown, but the next color introduces a little more warmth and an even softer sense of everyday comfort. Number 9. Natural White from Sherwin-Williams. Natural white feels exactly as its name suggests, effortless, relaxed, and beautifully balanced. This is the kind of white that seems to glow as morning sunlight filters through sheer linen curtains, creating a bathroom that feels peaceful from every angle. Picture handcrafted ceramics resting beside a simple vase of fresh eucalyptus, while warm wood textures quietly add depth without demanding attention. Natural white encourages slower mornings and unhurried routines, making even the busiest days begin with a sense of calm. It doesn't chase trends. Instead, it offers the timeless confidence of a home designed to be lived in for years. Yet our next shade introduces even greater softness, creating a mood that feels quietly refined. Number 8. Gypsum from Sherwin-Williams. Gypsum carries a gentle warmth that makes every surface feel inviting. Rather than commanding attention, it allows natural textures to become the stars of the room. Imagine textured limestone flooring beneath your feet, layered linen towels folded neatly on open shelving, and soft ambient lighting casting delicate shadows across custom millwork. There's a sense of serenity here that feels both luxurious and approachable. This shade creates a bathroom that welcomes you at the beginning of the day and comforts you long after sunset. It proves that true elegance rarely announces itself loudly. As beautiful as gypsum feels, the next color begins introducing an atmosphere that feels even more like a boutique spa hidden inside your own home. Number 7. White Sand from Sherwin-Williams. White sand immediately brings to mind peaceful coastal mornings and beautifully sunlit interiors. Its gentle warmth pairs effortlessly with natural stone, light travertine, white oak vanities, and brushed brass accents, creating a bathroom that feels layered rather than decorated. Picture stepping out of a warm bath as soft candlelight reflects against the walls, making the entire room glow with quiet comfort. Every element seems connected, creating harmony instead of contrast. White sand offers the feeling of a carefully curated retreat where nothing feels rushed. But if you're looking for a paint color that transforms your bathroom into a true sanctuary of relaxation, the next choice takes that feeling one step further. Number 6. Sanctuary from Sherwin-Williams. Some paint colors simply look beautiful, while others completely change how a room feels. Sanctuary belongs firmly in the second category. It wraps the space in an atmosphere of calm that makes daily routines feel almost ceremonial. Imagine a freestanding soaking tub beside a large window, warm steam drifting upward as filtered afternoon light gently washes across soft plaster walls. Every detail feels intentionally chosen without appearing overly styled. Sanctuary creates the quiet confidence found in homes where comfort is valued just as highly as beauty. It invites you to pause, breathe, and enjoy the simple luxury of slowing down. Still, the next shade begins introducing a richer sense of architectural sophistication. Number 5. Mortar from Sherwin-Williams. Mortar offers a beautifully grounded elegance that feels both modern and timeless. Rather than brightening every surface equally, it creates subtle depth that highlights beautiful craftsmanship throughout the room. Think custom cabinetry, natural limestone, aged bronze hardware, and softly illuminated wall sconces working together in perfect harmony. This is the kind of bathroom that feels as though it was designed specifically for the home, rather than following passing trends. Mortar allows every carefully selected texture to shine while maintaining an atmosphere of effortless sophistication. It feels luxurious without ever appearing extravagant. Yet our top 4 begin creating something even more emotionally memorable, where every moment inside the room feels intentionally peaceful. Number 4. Sun Bleached from Sherwin-Williams. Sun Bleached captures the gentle beauty of natural daylight as it moves quietly through a thoughtfully designed home. Its soft character creates walls that seem to glow from within, allowing every architectural detail to feel lighter and more inviting. Imagine vaulted ceilings, oversized mirrors, linen drapery, and pale oak cabinetry coming together in perfect balance. This shade has an effortless ability to blur the line between indoors and nature, creating a calming environment that feels restorative after a busy day. It doesn't simply brighten the bathroom, it changes the emotional atmosphere entirely. As comforting as sun-bleached feels, our next color introduces an even richer sense of cozy sophistication. Number 3. White Sesame from Sherwin-Williams. White sesame is where quiet luxury begins to feel deeply personal. There's a softness to this color that pairs beautifully with handcrafted textures, woven accents, warm wood finishes, and layered neutral fabrics. Picture soft ambient lighting reflecting gently across natural stone countertops, while folded linen towels and artisan pottery create subtle visual warmth. Nothing feels excessive, yet everything feels carefully considered. White sesame encourages a slower rhythm of living, where even preparing for the day becomes a calming ritual. It's refined without ever losing its welcoming charm. Still, our final 2 colors create an even stronger emotional connection, transforming a beautiful bathroom into a space that feels unforgettable. Number 2. Mushroom from Sherwin-Williams. Mushroom brings an extraordinary level of warmth and sophistication to the modern bathroom. Its creamy softness creates interiors that feel established, elegant, and effortlessly timeless. Imagine quiet weekend mornings with sunlight streaming across textured walls, fresh flowers resting beside a stone sink, and warm wooden cabinetry glowing beneath carefully placed architectural lighting. Every detail feels harmonious, inviting you to linger just a little longer. This is the kind of bathroom that quietly elevates the entire home, making luxury feel natural instead of staged. It's a remarkable choice for anyone seeking comfort wrapped in refined design. Yet one final color offers an atmosphere so peaceful that it becomes the emotional heart of the entire home. Number 1. Lime Wash from Sherwin-Williams. Lime Wash earns the top position because it creates something far beyond beautiful walls. It creates an experience. The moment you step inside, the room feels softer, quieter, and wonderfully balanced. Gentle daylight dances across natural limestone, warm oak cabinetry, brushed brass fixtures, and plush cotton towels, creating an atmosphere that feels both luxurious and deeply comforting. Every surface seems to invite relaxation, while the entire space reflects the quiet confidence of timeless design. This isn't the kind of luxury that demands attention. Instead, it quietly surrounds you with warmth, simplicity, and lasting elegance. It's the bathroom you look forward to every morning and the peaceful retreat you appreciate even more at the end of a long day. Beautiful homes aren't defined by how much they impress others. They're defined by how they make you feel every time you walk through the door. The right white paint can become the foundation for mornings that feel calmer, evenings that feel more restorative, and a home that reflects timeless comfort rather than passing trends. I'd love to know which of these Sherwin-Williams white paint colors feels most like your dream bathroom. Share your favorite in the comments below, and if you're planning your next home refresh, be sure to watch our next video, where we'll explore more designer-inspired paint colors and cozy interiors that bring quiet luxury into everyday living.